Dear all MMM friends, I am Kundun Mu from Malaysia. I'm an ordinary member of MMM Global. On 18 October 2015, I joined MMM, and since then I have already provided and got help for a few times. On 15 November, 6 December, and 11 December 2015, I PH for US dollar 4,500, 1,500 and 2,500 respectively. I requested to get help on 21st January 2016, and on 25th January, I received US dollar 17,510. I am greatly delighted as MMM never fails to pay. I wish to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Sergey Mavdori, who created this program which really helped those people who are in need from all corners of the world. I'm also grateful to the moderators, the staffs of MMM, and my leader. I wish MMM Global long live so that it can continue to fight the present-day unjust financial system. Best wishes to all our huge and kind family of MMM Global.